Hey guys, and welcome to day 7 of the 40 Days of Pours. I am so excited. We have made it through our first week, and this is a dried result from yesterday. It did dry a little less vibrant, but I think that once I get resin or a nice varnish over it, it'll kind of bring the colors back into it. I also have this amazing friend named Olga who has her own Facebook page. It's called Smart Arts. I'm going to link it below, but she just did a video on doing varnishes on your painting, and it is amazing. So I'm going to link that for you guys because that is very helpful. So today we are going to be doing a traveling tree ring pour, but like tornado. It's something that Mixed Media Girl does, and she's amazing at this, so I hope I can get this. It's definitely going to be a challenge, but I'm excited for it. So I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to be using the rest of the neon colors that I had left over. But I want white to be the last color that comes out, so that's the first one that I am pouring. Green. Purple. And I'm pouring it dirty style today to see if that kind of makes a difference instead of pouring it down the sides. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, that looks so cool, I think. And now the hard part, just stretching. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. I let it run off the side. I lost it. Alright, well, I lost my tornado, but I still like how this looks. I'm a huge fan of like linear stuff. Let me see if I can almost just like try to add in another one too. Alright. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have done that. I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I think I may have messed with it a little too much. They added a little contrast in there, but one I would have been good without having as well. But that's how you learn. Gotta get this little chunkers out of there. Alright, so I am going to torch this real quick and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here is our close-up. It's definitely interesting. It definitely looks like a storm going on. I think because I added in the tornado, it kind of gives it more of a storm-like looking aspect to it. So I'm kind of getting like an abstract Wizard of Oz feel from this. So I'm coming around to liking it. But I think had I changed the colors or something, I would like it a lot more. Thank you so much for joining me today for the 7th day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for our 2nd week of the 40 Days of Pours.